Let's break down the process of immigrating to the U.S. in a detailed and easy-to-understand way for someone who is not familiar with it. Step 1. Determine eligibility. Before starting the immigration process, it's essential to determine if you are eligible to immigrate to the U.S. Eligibility criteria vary depending on the type of visa or green card you are applying for. Factors such as family relationships, employment offers, or refugee status can influence eligibility. Step 2. Choose the right visa or green card. Once you've determined your eligibility, you need to choose the appropriate visa or green card category for your situation. There are various options available, including family-based visas, employment-based visas, diversity visas, DV lottery, refugee or asylum status, and special immigrant categories. Step 3. Gather required documents. Each visa or green card category has specific documentation requirements. These typically include forms, identification documents, proof of relationships, such as marriage or birth certificates, employment records, financial evidence, and any other supporting documents relevant to your case. Step 4. Submit application. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, you must complete and submit the appropriate application forms to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services USCIS or the U.S. Department of State, depending on the visa or green card category. Some applications may require filing fees. Step 5. Attend interviews if required. For certain visa categories such as family-based or employment-based visas, applicants may be required to attend an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate in their home country. The purpose of the interview is to verify information provided in the application and assess the applicant's eligibility. Step 6. Undergo medical examination and background checks. As part of the immigration process, applicants are typically required to undergo a medical examination by an approved physician to ensure they meet health requirements for entry into the U.S. Additionally, background checks are conducted to verify the applicant's criminal history and other relevant information. Each step of the immigration process is important and requires careful attention to detail. It's essential to follow the instructions provided by USCIS or the relevant authorities and seek guidance from qualified immigration professionals if needed.